Hey guys, today I'm going to react to Parrots That Curse. I just stumbled upon it on the internet and it's real funny. Alright, let's go. What is the quality? Oh, it's a max.
God damn, son of a bitch. Don't touch me, don't touch me. I'll kick your ass. Be quiet. You bitch.
You bitch.
You bitch.
Raw, I did not know that was it. Nah, there's nothing abusive about that. What violence, bro? Oh my god. I did not know it was a fucking UNICEF, bro. I thought it was just some funny video. It's fucking advert about abusive. Nah. They don't. What the fuck is this? I just hear Paris just chatting mad shit, and that's what I think. It's just funny, and then it turned out to be some UNICEF gay shit. Alright, hope you guys enjoy it. Peace out.